Before we start with the basic knots, we will quickly take a look at the basic material needed to make the macrame. You will need S-shaped hooks, a wooden dowel, cotton strings or some cords, a pair of sharp scissors and some beads for some decoration. Now let's see how to set up your workstation. First of all, you will need an open space as some of the projects are large and can take time. So you might just want to leave it overnight. Okay, so here I have fixed a rod and will use the two S-shaped hooks over the rod. I have tied a scrap piece of string at one end and will do the same for the second hook. Now these strings keep your hook in place and not let them slip away. I have already placed my wooden dowel in the hook. Since I am going to show all the different types of knots over this wooden dowel, I am fixing a position for it. Shift it to the center and now we are ready to learn the basic macrame knots. So we'll start with the lark's knot. Take a cord and fold it in equal half. Now go over the dowel and slip the other end as shown here. This is the most basic knot for any macrame project. Pull the cords to make a tight knot. Now let's see the knot one more time. The first basic lark's knot is now ready. Don't forget to watch the next video where I will show you how to make a square knot. Watch the next video on macrame square knot. Stay tuned towards your hobby.